In this section, we will look at the macroeconomic effects of exchange rate. The central bank of an economy is concerned with exchange rate because of aggregate demand fluctuations and because of the problems it can cause in a nation's banking system. Number one, we look at aggregate demand fluctuations and exchange rate. If dollar depreciates, American goods becomes cheaper to foreigners and foreign goods becomes cheaper to Americans. As a result, foreigners are going to buy more US goods, export increases, Americans are going to buy less foreign goods, imports go down. Net exports is exports minus imports, which increases as a result of dollar depreciating, and net exports is a component of aggregate demand. This will cause the aggregate demand to shift to the right and real gross domestic product to increase. I had the opposite effect when dollar appreciates. This causes net exports to go down and aggregate demand to decrease and real gross domestic product to decrease. Now let's look at borrowing and exchange rate fluctuations. Say the Bank of Thailand is borrowing 1 million US dollars and agrees to pay an interest rate of 5%. So it has to repay 1.5 million US dollars. The 1 million US dollar it borrowed is going to convert into local currency, that is the baht. The way they're doing is 1 million US dollars times exchange rate. They end up with 40 million baht. This is the amount they borrowed and they definitely have to pay back with interest. So they are not going to keep quiet with 40 million baht. They are not going to keep it in their accounts. Rather, they are going to lend at an interest rate of 6%. So I just wrote down everything here. This guys, the Bank of Thailand is borrowing 40 million baht. They are lending at an interest rate of 6%. So I have 40 times 1.06 and 42.4 million baht is the earning of the Bank of Thailand. Now they are going to convert this 42.4 million baht into US currency. The exchange rate is 40 baht is equal to $1. So 42.4 baht is 1/40 times 42.4. The units are going to be in millions. So they end up with 1.06 million US dollars. They have to repay 1.05 million US dollars and they have an earning of 1.06 million dollars. The profit for the Bank of Thailand is 1.06 minus 1.05 equal to 0.01 million US dollars. Converting it to local currency, 0.01 million times 40 is equal to 400,000 baht. Everyone's happy here. Now let's say what happens when the exchange rate fluctuates. So initially the exchange rate was $1 was equal to 40 baht. Now say the exchange rate is equal to $1 is equal to 50 baht. That means a dollar can buy more of foreign currency. So dollar went up and baht went down in value. Okay. So steps 1 to 3 are the same as before. Now they are going to convert step number 4. They are going to convert this 42.4 million baht using the exchange rate, which is $1 is equal to 50 baht. After converting, they end up with 848,000 million dollars. But they have to repay $1.05 million. So there is a loss here, which is $202,000 million. This happened because baht went down in value and dollar went up in value. So I just want to look at the conclusion here. I can conclude if the foreign currency, or probably you can say the local currency, goes down in value and the foreign currency goes up in value, and if you are lending from a foreigner for a foreign bank, you are bound to suffer a loss. And this happened because the local currency depreciated in value, and this fluctuation in exchange rate will cause problems in a country's banking system. And these are the two reasons why the central bank is really concerned about fluctuations in foreign exchange rate. Hope this makes sense. Thank you very much.